English to Arabic. I need equals.
أحتاج.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your power phrase is I need. In Arabic, that's
أحتاج.
buckle up for jokes, beats, and quick wins. Your goal today. By the end, you'll use it naturally in shops, travel, and chats. Core phrase. I need equals.
أحتاج.
With a noun. I need water.
أحتاج ماء.
With to plus place. I need a bathroom.
أحتاج إلى حمام.
With a verb, to do something, I need to sleep.
أحتاج أن أنام.
With an item you forgot, I need the charger.
أحتاج الشاحن.
Funny mini dialogue. Listen and imagine the scene. You, excuse me, I need to find my keys. Friend, try saying it in Arabic.
أحتاج مفاتيحي.
And check your bag. You, oh, also, I need a charger.
أحتاج الشاحن.
Vending machine, dramatic voice, insert coin. You, whispering.
أحتاج.
Machine. Me too, I need coins. Pronunciation beat. Clap with me, short, punchy practice. I need slash.
أحتاج.
Clap clap. I need water.
أحتاج ماء.
Clap clap. I need to sleep.
أحتاج أن أنام.
Clap clap. I need a bathroom.
أحتاج إلى حمام.
Clap clap. Fast drills. You respond fast. I'll cue in English. Say, I need water. Answer.
أحتاج ماء.
Say, I need the charger. Answer.
أحتاج الشاحن.
Say, I need to find a bathroom. Answer.
أحتاج إلى حمام.
Say, I need to call my family. Answer.
أحتاج أن أتصل بعائلتي.
After work, I need to rest. Answer.
أحتاج إلى الراحة.
Traveler, I need a map. Answer.
أحتاج خريطة.
Culture tip. In the souk. Be friendly and polite. In a bustling souk, add, please.
من فضلك.
Or, excuse me.
لو سمحت.
Example. Excuse me, please, I need water.
لو سمحت. من فضلك. أحتاج ماء.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal after a pause. Q1. Which Arabic phrase means, I need? A.
أحتاج.
Q2. Fill the blank, blank. A.
أحتاج.
Q3. True or false?
أحتاج.
Means, I want. A. False. Memory hacks. Stick it in your brain with fun hooks. Gesture. Hand on chest, palm out as if asking. Say.
أحتاج.
Rhyme. Need to read? Say.
أحتاج.
Before you proceed. Loci. Front door note.
أحتاج خبزا.
Kitchen table note.
أحتاج ماء.
Mind map. Want.
أريد.
Have.
عندي.
Must.
يجب أن.
Ask for.
أطلب.
Help.
مساعدة.
Challenge time. Ready for real life? Use.
أحتاج.
5 times today. Reward yourself after. After running. I need water.
أحتاج ماء.
At work. I need to rest.
أحتاج إلى الراحة.
Travel. I need a taxi.
أحتاج سيارة أجرة.
Shopping. I need the charger.
أحتاج الشاحن.
Thanks from Synapse Lingo. Great work today. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
أحتاج
In your day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and bonus materials. See you next time. Happy learning with Synapse Lingo.